Hi friends, today we are making a no-cook Italian ricotta breakfast bowl that is creamy, fresh, and perfect when you want a fit breakfast that still feels special. It makes 2 servings and takes just 10 minutes from start to finish. Let's walk through the ingredients for this fresh Italian breakfast. 1 cup part-skim ricotta cheese gives the bowl its creamy, lightly sweet base and keeps it satisfying. 1/2 cup plain low-fat yogurt loosens the ricotta and adds a clean tangy flavor. 1/4 cup rolled oats makes the bowl more filling without needing any cooking. 1 tablespoon chia seeds helps thicken the cream slightly as it rests. 1 teaspoon lemon zest brings that bright Italian citrus aroma to every bite. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract rounds out the dairy with a soft breakfast sweetness. 1 cup mixed berries adds color, juiciness, and natural sweetness. 2 fresh figs give the bowl an Italian market feel and a delicate jammy texture. 2 tablespoons chopped unsalted pistachios add crunch, protein, and a beautiful green finish. 2 teaspoons honey lightly sweetens the bowl without making it heavy. 4 fresh basil leaves add a tiny herbal note that makes the fruit taste even brighter. Start the preparation by rinsing 1 cup mixed berries and 2 fresh figs, then dry them well so the bowl stays thick and creamy. Now that the fruit is clean, slice the 2 fresh figs into thin wedges for easy topping. Add 1 cup part-skim ricotta cheese to the medium mixing bowl, keeping it in the center so it is easy to smooth out. Add 1/2 cup plain low-fat yogurt to the ricotta, then stir until the mixture looks smooth and softly whipped. Now stir in 1 teaspoon lemon zest, spreading that citrus aroma through the creamy base. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, then stir again so the flavor is evenly mixed. Fold in 1/4 cup rolled oats, making sure the oats are coated in the ricotta yogurt cream. Sprinkle in 1 tablespoon chia seeds, then stir until the tiny seeds are evenly dotted through the base. Let the mixture rest for 5 minutes, so the oats and chia soften slightly while the breakfast stays completely raw. After the short rest, divide the creamy mixture evenly between 2 shallow white breakfast bowls. Spoon 1 cup mixed berries over the bowls, placing them mostly to one side for a colorful, Italian cafe-style look. Add the sliced figs next, fanning the wedges beside the berries so every serving gets fruit in each spoonful. Drizzle 2 teaspoons honey over the fruit and cream, using 1 teaspoon for each bowl. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons chopped unsalted pistachios over the top, adding 1 tablespoon to each bowl for crunch. To finish, tear 4 fresh basil leaves and scatter them over the bowls, then serve the breakfast immediately while the fruit is fresh and the pistachios are crisp. This no-cook Italian ricotta breakfast bowl delivers exactly what we promised: creamy, fresh, naturally sweet, and fit enough for a busy morning. Serve it right away while the fruit is juicy and the pistachios are crisp. If you enjoyed this breakfast idea, like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more simple recipes.